Hi and welcome to a new tutorial in Fusion 360. Here I will explain to you how you can make a BMW Z4 in Fusion 360. Please, if you have not seen the last episode, go to my channel and tap episode 7, okay? Episode 8, okay. Today I will work again on this car and add some features, okay. Let's go ahead and start. For me, in the last episode I add the symmetric or the mirror to see the final result. Then I will delete this feature, okay, or I have just delete it, okay. Then I will join these surfaces. To do that, go to the patch mode and see here stitch, or you will find it here. Click on it and select this, okay, and press OK. The second thing is to add a plan here and other sketch, okay. To fix that, you have just to go to sketch, okay. Start with this surface and activate the 3D sketch here. Take a spline and go in the 3D form, press here and add 3 points, okay. I have nearer because he add me okay. As you can see here, I have the first spline. Second thing, I will add line here from here to here. Take a spline again and start from this point, okay. Then go ahead and look for a point like this and press OK. You can use M to make it like this. Look for this side. I think it's alright here, okay. For me, I will try to fix this because this one and this have to be here. To do that, I will stop the sketch, return to the slice here, to the sketch, edit the sketch. As you can see, the sketch is okay. Then I will just move it a little bit like this one, okay. Okay, it's okay like that. And I will return to my sketch and I will create. I will enter to the last feature From here it's okay, but when you look from the top is not okay. To fix this, activate the handles and move the spline like this. Okay. I can see that with the slice you can't see anything. Okay. Use the two of these controllers to control your spline. Okay. My spline is here. To see it from here, you have just to see it like bend like this, and it's okay. All thing is alright like this. Stop your sketch, and now from here it's okay. From here it's okay. Now we will add a plane, okay, through axis, okay, a long path. Select this and select this one. That's our plane, okay. This plane, where are you? Select this plane. As you can see, 0 here and 1 here. For you, I don't know if you are start your spline from here or here. You have just to put to make the plane here. Okay, press OK, and I can see it because this one is hidden. Okay, that's our plane. Okay, once you finish this, okay, once you finish this, I will add another sketch. As you can see, I did an error here when I created the plane. I have two planes here. I will delete one using delete in your keyboard. Okay, for now we don't use this plane. I have just to hide it. Okay, other thing is I have to create this. Okay, to do that, go to the sketch, select this one and start from with the spline here, front to this point. Okay, and see it if it's okay. For me it's okay. For me it's okay like this, and see it here is not okay. Like this is good. Okay, add another spline here starting from this point, or I will add this. Okay, then what we have here is I have to create another spline here Then as you can see here, this is done, and I will create this one. Okay, to do that, you can hide the last sketch and start from here another sketch, looking from the front and press here. Okay, to see this point, look from the side and see it. We have to move it like this one. Okay, move it to this side, and the last one is to add a point from here to here. Okay, as you can see here, everything is done here. From here you have just to move it like this a little bit. Okay, from the top, I see from here you have just to bend this one just a little bit here. The same thing for this one. Okay, all thing is done. Then go to loft feature from here to here and use these like rail and press OK. I'll go ahead and we'll continue working here. Okay, the same thing here. You can just start your sketch from here, then you have to start from this point in 3D sketch. Make sure that the 3D sketch is activated, then find these like a point. Okay, press OK, and you're done with the first one. But look from here, move it like this one, and you can see from here you have just to bend it like a little bit here. Select this point and activate handles and move it a little bit here. As you can see, it's done. Press OK. Let's go ahead and add another spline here. For me, this one, I will start from this point, and to finish, I will finish it here. Okay, and press OK. This point, I have to move it in the interior. Okay, move it like this and use handles to bend it like this. Okay, then to finish this, from this one to this one, it's okay. We can't see this when the car is like this one. Sorry, I have sick and sick. Okay, go to the same thing with the loft. We can create this one. Okay, all thing is alright here. Here I will add a complex shape here. Before do that, I want to reverse this face to make it easy. Okay, that's the key point of this procedure. Okay, start in the left plan and make sure the 3D sketch in the sketch palette in the right is activated to work on the 3D. Sketch a spline like this and use these control point to control the curve. Make it like this. Excuse me. And start another curve from here and make it closest to the original edge. Okay, make it just like this. Okay, I do that because you can't use the sweep feature in different path. You have to use one path. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, as you can see here, I'm using different section of the path, and make sure the orientation of the surface is perpendicular to the edge. Okay, now I will add the fillet here with 0.2. Just select this edge and put 0.2. Okay,
thanks for watching. If you like to receive more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make a thumbs up and don't hesitate to post a comment. Cheers!